Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be doing a little bit more of an upgrade. So you see this nice orange side marker? It's going to get replaced with the tinted out side marker today. So let's go ahead and put that on right there. And there we have it. So there is the tinted side marker light. I picked it up on Amazon. It was just a little under $50, and man, I'll tell you, it makes the look of it look so much better with that compared to the amber. So I recommend, if you have that amber, you might want to ditch it. Get one of these nice ones off of Amazon. So if you enjoy this content, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'm enjoying this GR86 a lot, and there's a lot more things coming to it. So anyways, everybody have a great day.